Good morning, friends. In a 10 standards English mediums, up to 5th lessons, that is the heading of your supplementary books, Footprints Without Feet. You already learned that from the madam. Now I start, and I have been rendered the liabilities to teach you the remaining books. Each and every teacher and sir has different methods of learning. So likewise, I just present against you with sliding. I've seen your madam's videos also and seen that she was just explaining you through directly from the textbook. But I think that along with the books or the lessons, if needed, if I give a supported some of the slides, then it would be much helpful to you to understand the lessons better way. So likewise, I create the slides as I do in the Gujarati mediums in 11 and 12th. See now, what's the heading is there? Just start now. The making of a scientist means how the scientist is created is to be given here. That what are the situations which lead to a simple persons like you and me to become a scientist, how he or she grows the inner interest, or what are the outer sources which force him to become a scientist. Some of the points are to be given actually in all the books, means your supplementary books. Each lesson contains either two parts or three parts, means in which way two or three questions is given in each schedules, and on the basis of that questions only the explanations is given, and likewise the story is come to an end. So now here it is written about Richard E. Bright. In our first slides or in our initial informations, we have been given the informations like that he has received the Searle Scholarship Awards and Schering-Plough Awards for Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. And when we get such awards, so when we do something bigger that is helpful not only to us but to the whole human beings, then and then only you can have such an awards that is famous worldwide. So what is done at the primary age, that is given in the first stage, means two questions is given in a read and find out, and on that questions only the whole theme is going on. So how it is happens in his life, that initial page he was work on the cell only, cell work he was work at an initial basis, but ultimately he changes to the butterflies. So how this happens, that is given only. Let's start. Just do it larger so that you can understand in better way. Read and find out. First questions. How did a book become a turning point in Richard E. Bright's life? Means somewhat a book is to be there which becomes a turning point in Richard's life. So what is that? Let's see ahead. Second, how did his mother help him? This is the most and important point to be remembered in the life. We teachers also occasionally told to our students or tell to our students that the mother is the first teacher of any child. Your progress and all your activities concerning the student's life is always on the basis of the care of your mother at an initial base. Let's see how it's happened. Richard E. Bright has received the Searle Scholar Award and the Scaring Plough Award for biochemistry and molecular biology. These are the subdivision of chemistry. It's a biochemistry and molecular biology that related to our body. It was his fascinations for butterflies that opened the world of science to him and as well as to us also, that he gave plenty of knowledge. We hardly have it before he invented about that only. It was his fascinations for butterflies that opened the world of science to him, means start to get interested in the life of the butterflies. Generally, we just see whenever we go in the country yards or at the village, most probably most of you may be gone to the village, your natives, for a longest time in your life. So you must imagine that what are the difference, or you must have an experience what are the difference between the city life and the village life, and that is only included in these lessons. Let's see what's other happening in his life. At the age of 22, a former Scout of the Year excited the scientific world with a new theory on how cells works. So, what's the age when you start to take interest in the cells works? So, 22 is age 1. Richard H. Ebert and his college roommate explained the theory in an article in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science. This is one of the division of the concerned government where a newly reforms or a new scientist is presenting their article or their new theory, means their new imaginations. So he was not alone only at the time of presenting this theory. His roommate was also one of his colleague, once a partner in creating the theory. What's happened next? Just try to understand. It was the first time this important scientific journal had ever published the work of college students. Means actually in a science journals, the prescribed scientific journals is only published. Means whatever the invention is to be done by the prescribed scientist, means the well-known scientist, but here they have published the work of college students. It means that it is immense importance, and that's why they got the chance to be published in the scientific journals. In sports, that would be like making the big leagues at the age of 15 and hitting a home run your first time at bat. Home runs is related to the baseball. Its definition is too long, that's why not explaining to you. Just suggest you that it is already given at the bottom of the page only. Home run means a player is hitting a ball from a particular place, and before the ball comes to the base, he has plenty of time to reach to his home. That is called a home run. And when your first time at bat, means the player is coming for the first time in the batting in the baseball, and it got such a beauty. League means just to explain you about that only, I just put the figure or the poster of the football. For Richard E. Bright, It was the first in a long string of achievements in science and other fields. What's happened then? At a first stage only, he got many of achievements in science and other fields. And it all started with butterflies. He just started to have interested in butterflies. Why? We will just know about that only. An only child, E. Bright grew up north of Reading, Pennsylvania. It's a north side of Pennsylvania. The city's name is Reading, where E. Bright grew up, and he was the only child of his parents. There wasn't much I could do there, he said. This E. Bright is telling to us that where he grew up in his childhood, nothing was there to do much. I certainly couldn't play football or baseball with a team of one. It means very few people were that they hardly could make any, hardly have any chances to make a team to play the game. But there was one thing I could do, collect things, means plenty of time. You just imagine of his age you are now only 14 to 15 only, then you can easily imagine if no play is there throughout the day, what will happen? You have plenty of time. And what Ibrahim has done, he has converted to be positively collect things. And collecting this leads him to be interested in butterflies. Now see, I just write, it's my method only to write the hard words along with that particular paragraphs only. Just committing one mistake, sorry, I actually show first the hard words so that you can understand in better way. Sorry, next time I will be careful about that only. First show you if any hard words is to be there. No hard words is there, but 3 pictures is to be there. See now, it must be there within the slide only. That's why I have just upload the pictures of what? Rocks, fossils and coins. So he did, collecting things. What he was collecting, that is to be given here. And did he ever? Beginning in kindergarten, E. Bright collected butterflies with the same determination that is mark all his activities. Means in the beginning in kindergarten is a place only. He has collected many butterflies with same determination. He also collected other things like rocks, fossils and coins. Just see here only, written here only, see Full Perm Rocks Fossil Park. Okay, here only it is given. There is 3 pictures is to be there. Just enlarge it so that you can see it properly. And then we go on the description and understand it better way. This is rock only, different type of. First picture is of that only, fossil pack. Others are fossils only. And third one is the coin only. See here. Those who are interested in coin collection can easily understand this. See now, just go on more time on our way. He also collected rocks, fossils and coins. So along with butterflies, he also collected rocks, fossils and coins. He became an eager astronomer too, sometimes stargazing all night. So those students who have living by chance during this COVID-19 at a village, and if he or she has slept in the open yard of your house or either on the terrace at night, you must see the stargazings. What are the enjoyment of stargazing at the night in a pin drop silence of the village at night, especially after 10? Nothing would be there. You will hear even a tremoring of very joyous of many insects nearby that in the village areas. Next, from the first, he had a driving curiosity along with a bright mind. Means he was very curious from beginning only. He also had a mother who encouraged his interest in learning, and that's why only we get such a great scientist whose mother is became the pillar of fulfilling the curiosity of any child that would always grow better way in life. She took him on trips, bought him telescopes, microscopes, cameras, mounting materials and other equipment and helped him in many other ways. Just think if the same is happening with you, then what would happen? Many of you would become an extraordinary doctor or an engineers or astronomers or a scientist surely to be there. She has brought everything in spite of his father's death. His mother has fulfilled all his requirement and encouraged him from beginning only. See now, she bought him everything. These are not of 5 rupees, 10 rupees or 100 rupees, in a thousands of rupees the cost is to be going on. What's happened next? Just see. I was his only companion until he started school, his mother said. Means before he grew up to 6 to 7 years and started school, his mother was the only companion. After that, I would bring home friends for him. See now, very encouraging matters it is. But at night, we just did things together. Means she became his friend only at night. Richie was my whole life after his father died when Richie was in 3rd grade. This is the pet name. Most of the students have pet name at home, either Pappu or something like that. I was his only companion until he started school, his mother said. After that, I would bring home friends during daytime for him, but at night, we just did things together. Richie was my whole life after his father died when Richie was in 3rd grade. Means in our language, we said that when he was just in 3rd standard, his father has passed away, so his mother became his father also and fulfilled all the requirements of his life. She and her son spent almost every evening at the dining room table, and this is totally absent in our life, and that's why the students can easily go on the track of the tension. You must have the dinner and lunch together only with the family and share your all the trouble. You will never find yourself in any trouble. If he didn't have things to do, I found work for him. Must remember this. How a mother can inspire to a child to be the best one. If he didn't have things to do, I found work for him. See now, hardly to be seen in our mother. If it is so, you are the luckiest students in your life. Not physical work, but learning things. Means somewhat this or the that. He just find out one or the other work for Richie. His mother said he liked it, he wanted to learn, and whatever work is to be rendered by his mother to Richie, he just like it and do it. Why? Because he has already grown an interest inside to do new things all the day. And learn he did. He earned top grades in school, and as soon as he started learning, his grade in school also increased. Likewise, we can understand easily that on everyday things he was just like every other kid, his mother said. But in a routine work or day-to-day routine as work, he was a simple boy like other only. By the time he was in the second grade, E. Bright had collected all 25 species of butterfly found around his hometown. See following box. We are just going on the box. See now. By the time he was in second grade, means when he was just in second standard, he had collected 25 species of butterflies. Wonderful work it was there. And which type of 25 species were there? Just given, we are just going on that tables only. Species and subspecies of butterflies collected in 6 weeks in Reading, Pennsylvania. And he has collected all in Pennsylvania readings only. Okay, within 6 months, 6 weeks only. See now how enthusiastic he was. You have just to learn the table, nothing else means. Must remember. Species and subspecies of butterflies collected in 6 weeks in Reading, Pennsylvania by Richie means Richard E. Bright. See now here against you only. I just keep it. Okay. Gossamer wing butterflies. Under that headings are coming white M hair streak, Acadian hair streak, bronze copper, bog copper, purplish copper, eastern tail blue, silver blue, and snout butterfly. Okay, you can see it better way all. That's why just minimize it, nothing else. Okay, then just maximize it. See, first one is a heading and it's a species in a dark or bold type. Gossamer wing butterflies is a species and the subspecies is white M hair streak, Acadian hair streak, bronze copper, bog copper, purplish copper, eastern tail blue, silvery blue, and snout butterfly. Second species is wood nymphs and stars. Subspecies are eyed brown, wood nymph means grayling, monarch, under monarch or milkweed, white sand sulfurs, Olympia, European cabbage. These are the types and subtypes of all butterflies. Brush-footed butterflies. Under these species, subspecies are variegated fritillary, Harris, check spots, pearl crescent, morning clock, painted lady, buckeye, and white admiral are of two types, red spotted purple and hackberry. Okay, now you can easily understand now. That's why just do like that only. Okay. Now these are the subtype of main one. These are the main only means species 3 and under that only these are subspecies. Okay. Just go ahead. Within 6 weeks only is collected all the species of the butterflies at Reading only, Pennsylvania. That probably would have been the end of my butterfly collecting, he said. Means after this only, already the collecting of butterflies has come to an end. But then my mother got me a children's book called The Travels of Monarch X. That book, which told how monarch butterflies migrate to Central America and the world of science to the eager young collector. Now, this was the book. Actually, after collecting the species and subspecies, he just thought that now the butterfly collecting has come to an end. But at that spot only, his mother got a very good book's name, Travels of Monarch X, and he is known from the books that how that monarch butterflies had migrate from Central of America and the world of science was to the eager young collectors. Now his eagerness or his curiosity about that butterfly has increased after reading the books which his mother has brought. At the end of the book, readers were invited to help study butterfly migrations. Now, this is the most inspirable points only. If after at the end of the lesson, I give you some of the homework, instead of homework, if I furnish you or render you some liabilities related to the lessons, which is not of the books but you have to find from outside, so naturally said, but naturally you would gain an interest in it. So that's happened with here. They were asked to take butterflies for research by Dr. Frederick A. Urquhart of the University of Toronto, Canada. He was a famous scientist at that time. Ebright's mother wrote to Dr. Urquhart and soon Ebright was attaching light adhesive text to the wings of monarch. Anyone who found a tagged butterfly was asked to send the tag to Dr. Urquhart. Now this is a little bit information about how Dr. Frederick would be helpful to all those who are interested in butterflies and lives. The butterfly collecting season around Reading lasts 6 weeks in late summer. See graph below. Means now is continued. Okay. In a late summer, he has collected so many butterflies in within 6 weeks. In graph it is given only. If you are going to chase them from one by one, but to collect that which I have and which I have to collect, so it's a very difficult for such an insect. So see what it does. If you are going to chase them one by one, means if you chase one by one butterfly, it's very difficult. You won't catch very many. So what it did? So the next step for Ebright was to raise a flock of butterflies. Means he just turned to produce the butterflies itself. He would catch a female monarch take eggs and raise them in his basement through their life cycle from egg to caterpillar to pupa to adult butterflies. What a brilliant fellow he was. See now. It was very difficult to chase one by one to get many. So what he did to have a raising of flock of butterflies, he just go and fetch a female monarch, get the eggs from that, raise them in the basement as per natural life cycle, means from egg convert to caterpillar, caterpillar convert to pupa, and from pupa to the adult butterfly. Then he would take the butterfly's wings and let them go. What was the condition of Frederick? That you have to take the butterflies, but it's very difficult to catch the butterflies to have attack to it. Then he would take the butterfly's wings and let them go. For several years, his basement was home to thousands of monarchs in different stages of development. Means he did for so many years like this only. Means his interest grew along with the age or the years. Now here it is written that how many numbers of butterflies, kinds of butterflies he has collected in 6 months. Okay, but then he find that this is really a very difficult. Actually, I have to do so and so that I can do a tagging very easily. How? That is given here only. See, number and kinds of butterflies collected in 6 weeks. Gossamer wing, he has collected 8. Wood knife and satyrs, he has collected just 2. Brush footed, he has collected maximum, means availability may be more about that only. Brush footed 10. Next, white sand sulfurs 3, monarch 1, and snout also 1. So this much number within 6 months he has collected to possibly to take it. Now he thought that it's very difficult to catch so many within short period of time and to take it. That's why what he did, he just go in the forest, get a female monarch, collected eggs, bring them to his basement, and he just provide all the basic necessities so as to have the natural improvement or cycle of their birth only, and like that only got, and for many years he just taking each and every butterflies. Eventually I began to lose interest in taking butterflies, but after so many years, if you do some work continuously, then but naturally you will feel tired of that work. It's tedious and there is not much feedback. Ebright said that I did too much, but if you don't get too much of feedback comparing to your work, naturally you will lose interest in it. In all the time I did it, he laughed. Means 24 hours I do the work. Only 2 butterflies I had taken were recaptured. Means he has taken so many butterflies for many years. But we know that their life is very short. That's why what's happened? Only 2 butterflies he got, to which he has taken from where, and they were not more than 75 miles from where I lived. It means that he got the butterflies which he had taken far away from 75 miles, 5 miles from his home. This was the first portion, that how he was get interested in how his mother helped him about his life and childhood. Now second portion mean read and find out is just separate the division. Now questions are arising more a time, and from that questions only we have to go further in the story and understand. What lesson does Ebright learn when he does not win anything at a science fair? First one. Second, what experiments and projects does he then undertake? Third one, what are the qualities that go into the making of a scientist? Means how we become a scientist, that we have to learn this second portions. Okay, first one is what lesson does Ebright learn when he does not win anything at a science fair? This is the question. So either one or two slide would be furnish us the detail about what he done when you lost anything at one first or one competition. What you do? Likewise, he also did. What he did, we just see. County means region, particular area. See now, some of the pictures is not given in text, but I think that it should be furnished to you to have a better idea about the paragraphs. That's why I just put it there only. What the figure is about, just see. Then in the 7th grade, he got a hint of what real science is. Actually, what it is there. Then in the 7th grade, he got a hint of what, not water actually, what real science is when he entered a country science fair. Okay, when he was in just 7th standard, he got a chance to have a participant of a country science fair and lost. Means he participated but didn't get any prizes there. It was really a sad feeling to sit there and not get anything while everybody else had won something. Now this Ebright has said that when I first participated in a country science fair, I get nothing as a reward. So it was really sad to feel that you just sit there for so many throughout a day or 2 or 3, but at the end of that fair only you get nothing, just to sit there only. His entry was slides of frog tissues, means on which experiment he has implemented or shows that the slides of frog tissues which he showed under a microscope. He realized the winners and had tried to do real experiments, not simply make a neat display. Means now it come on the conclusion after the failure that I just not to focus on neat display only, but to make the real experiments, and he has a very vast experience of about that butterflies. So he now convert to his real way. See, this is the slide of frog tissues I was talking about. You can see it better way, just expanding it. Okay, if you got time ever whenever school is going on, you can see it. Just request to your science teacher, she will show you that only. Only slide is there, just see. Already the competitive spirit that drives Richard Bright was appearing. Means now is entered into the competitive spirits. I knew that for the next year's fair I would have to do a real experiment, he said, not of others. The subject I knew most about was the insect work I had been doing in the past several years. Now come on the track that I have to do a real experiment to have the gain or to have a prize at a countryside fair. So he wrote to Dr. Urad for ideas, and back came a stack of suggestions for experiments. So he got some of the suggestions, he just write to Urad. This is a very clever trick. He didn't do anything by self only. He has a complete faith on Dr. Frederick. So he just write to him and get some suggestions, and doctor is also very helpful concerning the matter, and he just furnish many matters. Those kept Bright busy all through high school and lead to prize projects in country and international science fair. Now see the suggestions of that Dr. Fredericks has give his became the immense and make him famous. He got prize in the project at country as well as at international science fairs.